Good morning children, hope you all are fine. This is grade 3 science class. Now we are doing block 20 energy. So now today we are going to do second subtopic S2 types of energy. So children, in the previous class we have learned what is energy. Energy is the ability to do any of the work, and energy also to cause a change in an object. So there are different kinds of energy. So how they cause change, let us learn by some of the examples, children. So here I have taken an example, car. Car uses the chemicals in petrol, uses the energy from chemicals in petrol and releases chemical energy, which in results brings the change in their movement. So here the chemical energy, when it is being released by using the chemicals in petrol, so they are using chemicals to release this energy. So by using that chemical energy, the car is able to bring a change in its movement. So to cause a change in its movement. So it is able to move. Then here you can see fan. How it works? If you on the switch, the electricity will pass to the fan and it is able to move. So here what is using to bring the energy for the fan? Electricity. So by using the electricity, so energy is produced. Such energy is called as electrical energy. And by using the chemicals, it is called chemical energy. Now, you need a hot water for bath. So how will you heat it? Is any energy given to the water to bring a change in it? So some energy is given to make the cool water to get heated. So how will you heat it? By using the firewood, by burning the firewood in earthen chullas, or by heating on a gas stove, or by heating on the electrical heaters. You can bring a change in the cool water to get heated. So this cool water, after some time it becomes cool again. After some time the heat water will get cooled. So such energy is called as thermal energy or heat energy. You can also see that how the charcoal iron will get energy. The charcoal iron, it is getting heated by the coal. So it is using the coal as to bring energy for the charcoal iron to get heated. So by that we can use it. So it is the heat energy. When you need a hot water, it can be boiled in many ways. So here the thermal energy and heat energy is released. And you can also see the aeroplane moves. So anyway it uses the petrol to run an aeroplane. But when you are rising the speed, increasing the speed of it, what happens? Due to the release of energy, it is able to move from ground to the sky level. So how it is? What energy is released there? Due to the increase in speed in the aeroplane, anyway it uses the chemicals in petrol. And also it is not running on the floor, it is able to fly. Then how it is able to fly? Due to the kinetic energy. When you are increasing the speed, what happens? The energy is released in its movement. Due to that movement, the kinetic energy is released. That kinetic energy is able to move the aeroplane to rise higher. Now we can also have, this is a natural energy. Nowadays everyone is preferring this solar energy. So we are able to cook the food in solar cookers. So how we are able to cook the food in solar cookers? We are not using any petrol. We are not using any chemicals to cook the food in solar cookers. So what we are using? We are using the heat from the sun. When we are taking the food items in the solar cooker, then we are going to keep it on a sun outside. Then what happens? The solar cooker gets heated and it makes the food to get boiled. So in that way we have many things like calculators, we have solar batteries, we have solar lights, we have, and the street lights we can see. In the daytime it gets heated, the solar power energy is being captured. After, in the night time, we can see the bulbs will be glowing. So it is a natural energy, the solar energy, without using any chemicals. By using the heat from the sun, it can release an energy called solar energy. We are able to do many of the things. We are able to bring the change in the products. We are able to bring change in its movement. So these are the different kinds of energy, children. Chemical energy, electrical energy, thermal energy. These are the three kinds of energies, and the kinetic energy and solar energy. There are different kinds of energy which we use in our works, which makes our energy to do some work, which makes the things to do work. Now let us read from the reader's children. Now open your reader, page number 125, children. Kinds of energy. There are many kinds of energies: chemical energy, electrical energy, heat energy, solar energy, atomic energy, and wind energy. So you have to write this: chemical energy, electrical energy, heat energy, solar energy, atomic energy, and wind energy. Write it as keywords, children. And we have learned that chemical energy, electrical energy, heat energy, solar energy. So atom energy is nothing but the energy which we get from the atoms, and wind energy, with the energy which we get from wind. Now, chemical energy is the energy stored in chemical substances. We need chemical energy of petrol to run a car. The food we eat and the batteries in a remote control also have chemical energy. Now, electrical energy is the energy contained in an electric current. Electrical energy is the most widely used type of energy. It is used both in homes and factories. Heat energy and solar energy are other kinds of energies. Heat energy is mainly produced during burning. Solar energy is a source of light energy. It is present in light form from the sun. Here you can see the picture. A light bulb uses electrical energy. Look at, did you know, children, here? India is the fourth largest consumer of petroleum products in the world after the United States of America, China, and Russia. So it is the fourth largest consumer of petroleum products after the United States of America, China, and Russia. Now look at the practice questions, children. So today you are going to complete third and fourth, children. Give two examples of chemical energy and heat energy. So any two examples you can write: chemical energy, which we get from batteries and firewood, and heat energy, which you get from heaters, electric heaters, and from the charcoal iron. You can write any of the two examples. Now look at fourth one. An air conditioner can cool a room. Does an air conditioner use energy? Yes. Here, air conditioner is changing the room temperature. So what kind of energy does it use? It is using the energy from the electricity. So electrical energy. How it is changing the temperature in the room. It is making the hot room into a cooler one. So the air conditioner can cool a room, can change the temperature. It is using electrical energy to change its form. So in this way you have to complete third and fourth. Read the lesson, children. Now take out your workbooks. Now open your workbook, page number 21, children. Write today's date, kinds of energy. So today you are going to complete S2. See the activity, identify objects with energy. So they have given some objects. You have to identify which energy it uses. The charcoal iron, it uses coal as a chemical, so it releases heat energy. And electrical iron, electrical energy, it uses electricity, and even electric engine also electrical energy. And steam engine, here fire and coal it uses as chemicals to release chemical energy. And so to boil the water, when steam is released, it produces heat energy. Then to drive the wheels, to increase the movement in the cylinder and the piston, which makes the wheels to move, it produces kinetic energy. So you can write heat energy here. Now look at the second one. Which of these objects have chemical energy? So here they have given 3 objects. Which one is having chemical energy? So here battery will have chemicals which releases chemical energy. These are the other 2 energies with electrical energy. Now here you can see cylinder and a man with arrow and bow. Here cracker. Here you have to identify which one is the chemical energy. So cylinder and cracker is the chemical energy. So complete this worksheet, children, and read the lesson.